For the yellow Yorkies, the first center you're going to do is look in your Ziploc bags, and each one there will be some sentences to unscramble. Now, as you can see, there are 5. However, I will allow you to do 3 sentences. So, to help you start off, remember, your first word is always going to be capitalized. For example, I know in this one here with the house, I can go ahead and put the word there as my first word, because I know every sentence starts with a capital letter. Keep in mind, use those handwriting lines. And now I know the last word is going to be house, because that's where my ending mark is. So you can either wait till the end, or I might go ahead down here and put the word house. Just try your best and make sure that you at least get those 2 right, and that you actually capitalize and that you get your ending mark. For the second center, you will be doing this sheet. Now, on this one, it comes with 2 pages. You only need one side of it. You don't need the other. Now, you're going to look at each picture. For example, butterfly. How many syllables are in butterfly? Clap it out or fill in your chin. Butterfly. I hear 3. So I would put butterfly in the third one. And then so on. Flower. Flower, I hear 2 syllables, so I would glue flower here. Now, at the bottom, it tells you to draw a picture of a word with the correct number of syllables. So here, 1 syllable, I would draw cat, because cat has 1 syllable. And then make up your own word for 2 and 3. The last center you're going to do today is, where'd it go? Here it is this one. Now, it says to write the words that have the base word. Now, these are the base words we're looking at. So this one says words with the base word help. And base word is the same thing as a root word. So let's find one that says help. I see help here. So it adds full added to it. So my first one I'm going to put is help full. And then I'm going to mark out this one because I'm done. For care, I see one here that has care in it. So let's put care. And then that one ends in an S, cares. And that's it. Good luck.